In a true sense, the present hex cost is 0.032 hex decline 0.29 in 7 days, or so they in every aspect that really mattered thinking hex cost assessment is often negative today in an inconspicuous manner. The fundamental help level for hex is at 0.030, which is fairly substantial in a genuine sense. July 20th, 2023. In this video, we will generally lead you through the hex cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and we will generally strive to answer these frequently stated demanding difficulties facts. What sort of temporary cost estimate for hex is hexa truly wise? In a true sense, this is an essential venture. Hex help and opposition levels and so on in a particularly significant manner in any case, prior to plunging deeply into the hex specialized examination basically led us to discuss the very current economic situations certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking market examination over the most recent 24 hours revealed a loss of 1.84, bringing the overall whole digital money market to 1,190,985,483,416, which is genuinely huge. The overall exchanging volume remains at 31,315,169,8449, which is genuinely huge. Bitcoin has 49.89% of the entry market while Ethereum has a predominance of 16.33%, demonstrating how hex cost investigation is generally negative today, which is genuinely huge, which fundamentally caused Bitcoin's cost to drop down to 30,584.92 level after a decay of 0.29, or so they particularly thought various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value decrease of 0.24 coming to 1882.48 during the previous 24 hours, which generally shows how XRPD, particularly the local coin of XRP, is up by 0.1 and is currently exchanging at 47 cents, which sort of shows that while distributing this blog BNB exchanged at 246.58 following a value change of 0.42 within a comparable time span in a significant way. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents after seeing a downfall of 0.77 in Esteem in a kind of significant way. These events essentially demonstrate that the market hex assistance and impediment, in general, backing and opposition are crucial specialized pointers used to designate very key cost levels where the pattern can head in a significantly different manner. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers particularly become genuinely more beautiful, dynamic, and fundamentally keep the coin as costs from falling any further, demonstrating that as of now an extremely broad in every practical sense negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market and an exceptionally large manner. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which dealers in every way that truly matters become move in every way. United States dollars, which generally demonstrates what sort of broad regarding Bitcoin as price lowering to 30,584.92 level following a decay of 0.29 in a really significant method. X price changes 0.299% during the week, while the trading volume, in particular, is hovering around 3,738,949 US dollars, which is extremely big. Hex cost investigation for July 20th, 2023 inside a day-to-day time span essentially made sense of beneath, demonstrating that the value worth of the hex coin most definitely remains at 0.032 with market capitalization 5,584,394,4461 United States dollars, which actually demonstrates what essentially caused Bitcoin's price to fall to 30,584.92 following a decay of 0.29 in a sort of significant method we employ in every practical sense. RSI, Relative Strength Index, Moving Dissimilarity, and genuinely normal assembly macked support levels, different time span moving midpoints, such as kind of straightforward moving kind of normal tiny and dramatic moving kind of normal EMA, are used to fundamentally analyze the future growth of the hex, which is quite large. After a hybrid demonstrating how hex cost varies, the MACD line almost certainly remains beneath the genuinely signal line 0.29 throughout the week, while the trading volume is essentially hovering around 3,738,949 US dollars, which is vitally critical. Hex financial backers should generally watch for any directional shift in the type of everyday graph displaying that hex. Financial backers should expressly keep an eye out for any changes in the purchase and large day-to-day outline that are actually significant. A bullish breakout in this opposition level would generally help the upswing energy, demonstrating how XRP, the generally local coin of XRP, certainly is up by 0.1 and right now exchanging at 47 cents, which particularly shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at 246.58 following a value change of 0.42 within a comparable time span, in an essentially significant way. As the BTC price gets ready for a bull market in 2023, traders say, get ready. Bitcoin. Traders who are watching two key trend lines say that the market is getting ready for its next bull run in a classic way. Mustache and Titan of Crypto, two well-known traders, recently looked at social media and found that the BTC price was about to break out. The bull market line for Bitcoin looks for a classic crossover. Titan of Crypto says that Bitcoin's price cycles are very similar to those of the past, and that the time is almost right for a bullish rise. By uploading past price data, he drew attention to the 21-week simple moving average, SMA, which is currently at $27,900, according to Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView. Once this upward-sloping trend line goes above the spot price range, a long period of rising prices follows. This is why the 21-week simple moving average is called the bull market line. Titan of Crypto said that what was happening was a bull market kickoff. Once the weekly 21 MA crosses over the BTC market structure, it will kick off the bull market, he said. 4 years ago, in early 2019, Bitcoin had its last MA cross. This happened at the same point in the previous cycle as the price move today. This caused the area high for that year to be close to $14,000. The COVID-19 cross-market crash in March 2020 briefly broke the cross. Titan of Crypto calls this event a black swan. Imagine being bearish about Bitcoin above $28,600, said a trader. Another trend line to watch is the 20-month SMA, which looks at longer time frames. Mustache points out that this has happened before every Bitcoin bull market. When a monthly candle closes above the 20-month SMA, every candle that follows closes above it until the cycle high. Here, too, March 2020 is a short-term exception to the rule. Imagine being bearish while $BTC stays above the 20-day simple moving average,